Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Need to Know dance. It's a song by Doja Cat, but it's a remixed version. This dance is super popular. I think it's because it's short and awesome, the perfect combo. Alright, so let me just dive right into it. I'm just gonna show you the first mini section. Yeah, you're about to learn. Alright, so it goes something like this. Ba, 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 ka. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down for you. So, what you want to do is take your hands and go like this. Hit your hip, alright? So here, crossing your arms and then out, alright? So boom, boom. Very popular TikTok move, alright? Boom, boom. Now from here, what you want to do is go right, up, left, up, alright? So diagonal, boom. Alright, so from the tip to top, cross, out, right, left. Okay? Now, if you want to, you can, move from side to side, add a bit of swag here. Boom, boom. Okay? Now from here, let's just do the last thing as well. Notice how I'm facing a bit here to my right corner because I want to go boom. Alright? So my chest collapses. Alright? So I'm just going to go in, open up again. So it's boom. Alright? So from the tip to top, you want to say cross, out, now right, and left, and boom. Okay, so before we start practicing, I just want to explain the timing, alright? So it goes something like this. I just want to ka all night, yeah, yeah, ka. Let's just try and practice that. We're going to go super slow. 5, I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, I just wanna ka all night, yeah, yeah, and ka. Alright, let's just try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, I just wanna ka all night, yeah, yeah, and ka. Okay, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on, alright? So let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn. Right after boom, you want to say hit, whoa, ka. Alright, let me break it down for you. Now, before we do this first move with the head, maybe it's a good idea just to, stretch out a bit, just so that we don't hear anything suddenly snapping, alright? And then you can't move your head the next 2 weeks, alright? So the first thing you want to do right after this is moving your head around, whoop. Yeah, so basically you can, throw your hair around if you have that, or just, move your head around like that, alright? So, whoop. Now, right after this, you want to go cowboy, alright? So you're swinging your arm over your head like this, and then you want to bring it down and go pistol, okay? So what we did here, this was end of mini section 1. We go head around, we go yeehaw, here. And then from here, basically what you want to do is just go opposite. Yes, and when right is going down, left is going up. Let me see this. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So let me just recap here. It's whoop, cowboy, down. Now the timing is pretty easy. So basically, you just want to say whoa, 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 cow. Alright, so it's 2 times whoa on the head part. Whoa, whoa, third whoa, ka. So when it goes fast, it's something like this. Ka, whoa, 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 ka. But we're gonna practice it super slow, alright? So, starting from here, we wanna do whoa, 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 ka. Alright? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, 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 ka. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, 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 ka. Now, again, make sure you practice this a couple of times more before moving on. Alright, and now to the last bit, which is after we want to go woom, woom, and then A. Okay, let me break it down. So, right after what you want to do is just take your right hand and go follow your left arm here. And the left arm is basically just moving out to the side. Now you can do like this, a small one, or you can make it big, alright? So here, I'm just in here, and here I'm kind of stretching it. And then you just want to move it to the opposite side, so the right is going back. And then it's just gonna switch with the left. Way. Alright? So it's whoop, hey. Just try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, hey. And then from here, what you wanna do is bring your left arm down. Your right arm is gonna come up from down here and go slowly up. And if you want to, you can do a bit of bounce like I do. Bounce, bounce. I think I only have time for one bounce here. Boom. And then from here, pretty easy. You just take your right like that, and your left is here. Yeah, so left is in, right is out. And then you want to switch it. Switch. Okay. Let me just rewind. So what I did was here. And then I want to go grab it up, and then I want to say swing your arms. Hey. Now, the timing goes something like this. So it's bay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention this part. If you want to, you can lean to the front. Yeah, so I'm doing lean, and then to the front. So back, front. Okay, so boom. Whoom, and then move on. A. Okay, so the timing. The timing is, this was then it's bay, and then need to know. That's our cue. Whoom, and then Okay, so when you do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. Baby, I need to know. Whoa. Alright, time to practice. So, from we want to do baby, da, da, Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, I need to know. Whoa. Alright, let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, I need to know. Alright guys, time to do it all the way from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick run through. It goes cross, out, right, left, cat. And then hit, cowboy, pistol. Now moving back to the front. Now grab, way. And then arms, switch, boom. Now with the timing, it goes, I just wanna die all night. Yeah, yeah, cow. Whoa, 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 cow. Babe. Babe, need to know. Whoa. Okay guys, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. I just wanna die all night. Yeah, yeah. Cat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cat. Babe, need to know. Whoa. Let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. I just wanna knock all night. Yeah, yeah. Cat. Whoa, 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 cat. Bay, bay, need to know. Oh, Alright guys, now I just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? Let's go do it one last time, normal tempo. So, it goes something like this. I just wanna na na na, yeah, yeah, cat. Whoa, 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 cat. Bay, bay, need to know. Whoa, A big shout out to Steezy for sponsoring this video. If you're serious about dancing and you want to take it to the next level, then Steezy is definitely for you. They have some of the best choreographers in the world, including one of my all-time favorite, Brian Buspos. So, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.